Best Books Club presents Summary of the book Nick and Charlie, written by Alice Oseman. Nick and Charlie is a novella that serves as a companion to Alice Oseman's debut novel, Solitaire. It was first published as an ebook in 2015, and was later republished in 2020 alongside an updated edition of Solitaire. The story follows Nick and Charlie, two characters from Solitaire, as they navigate their relationship and their individual struggles. Nick is bisexual and Charlie is gay, and they both attend an all-boys school in England. The novella is told from both Nick and Charlie's perspectives, alternating between their thoughts and experiences. We see them struggle with their feelings for each other, their fears of coming out to their friends and family, and their own personal issues. One of the strengths of Nick and Charlie is the way it handles the characters' sexuality. Oseman portrays Nick and Charlie's relationship with sensitivity and realism, capturing the complexities and joys of discovering and accepting one's sexuality. The novella is also notable for its focus on mental health. Nick and Charlie both struggle with anxiety and depression, and their experiences are portrayed with authenticity and nuance. Oseman's depiction of mental health issues is done with care and understanding, making Nick and Charlie an important read for anyone who may be dealing with similar struggles. Overall, Nick and Charlie is a poignant and touching story about love, friendship, and self-discovery. The novella is a must-read for fans of Solitaire and anyone who appreciates thoughtful and well-crafted LGBT+ fiction. Thank you for watching and hearing summary of the book Nick and Charlie by Alice Oseman. Make sure to comment, share, like and subscribe. The channel Best Books Club for more book recommendations and summaries.